back, Venom fans. So today we're going to adjust the handlebars so we can lock our steering. We're getting a few calls about this. It's real easy adjustment. First things first, I want to show you guys, this is a metric Allen key set. For any bike we own, it's very handy to have. Every one of these Allen keys is all metric, so you want to get a nice metric system or set, and away you'll go. So we're going to take this one. No, it's going to be a number 8. Or no, sorry, number 6. Okay, so what I want you to do is loosen off your handlebars. They don't have to be, you don't have to take your bolts right out or anything like that. You're just going to be adjusting it, so you just want to loosen them off. Okay, so they're loose. I can maybe move my handlebars. No. Loosen them off a little bit more. Okay, so now they're loose. So what the problem people are having right now is that their handlebars are too low, so they try to turn and lock the steering, but it won't because their handlebar jams into their tank. What you want to do when you're riding, you want your handlebars to be comfortable, but you also want to have easy access to the buttons below. So these handlebars would go right about there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to tighten those back up. And if you go crossways when you do the tightening, you can tighten one easily, and then just go across the other one and tighten it, and it'll hold it tight. So you don't have to hold their handlebars. So we're just gonna give it a tighten like that. Like that. And then we're gonna tighten them up. And you want to have these tight, you don't want to have your handlebars moving around. About 10 pounds of torque is lots. Anything more than 10 pounds, this is white metal and you're just going to break it. You don't want to do that. You don't want to snap a bolt off inside. So 10 pounds is lots for white metal. Perfect. So now our handlebars are where we want them. They're free moving. So now if we want to lock our handlebars, all we have to do is turn all the way that way, have our key, turn left on our key, and now you see your handlebars are locked. So nobody can steal your bike. You'll just go in the left circle. So again, put it in. You have to push down to lock though, folks. Like you have to push down on your key. So you push down on it and rotate all the way to the left, and your handlebars are nice and locked, and you can take your key out. That's our video. I hope you like and subscribe and leave comments in the comments below.